Paving materials photo gallery. Rustic bricks are set on concrete, with mortar joints, or what we might also think of as grout lines or spacing. Bricks can also be placed or butted together and laid out in numerous patterns. These particular bricks have an uneven, textured finish to them, which gives them more of a rustic, or informal look. While each brick is the same width, the pieces are different lengths, and are placed in vertical rows that are not precisely straight. This gives it a more casual look which goes along with the rustic feeling. Rounded cornerstone tiles are strong, resilient and versatile. They can be placed in straight but not rigid rows and can be butted against each other or allowed more space around each one for a casual look. The mortar can be tinted the same or a slightly darker or lighter hue to blend in or contrast, respectively. This particular building supply store also carries the same or a similar looking stone in larger, natural-shaped flagstone. While larger chunks of lava rock obviously can't be used as a smooth and even patio floor, the smaller, pebble-sized pieces are an attractive textural alternative to pea gravel or river rock. Lava rock is usually a muddy reddish color or more of a charcoal. Pitting and abrasiveness means lava rock is not a surface you'd want to walk across while barefoot. A haphazardly thrown together pile of flagstone demonstrates just how well this flat stone holds up. A thinner batch of it, called veneer, would probably chip and break more easily. Veneer typically ranges from 1/4 to 3/4 thick. The type of stone used depends on where it's purchased. Local stone that's indigenous to your area and comes from a nearby quarry will be less expensive than those that come from farther away. There's no rule that says you have to use the exact same color paver or cobblestone for one area. Variety is the spice of life, and as long as the sizes are uniform and are made of natural or natural-looking materials, they can look good. These are laid and spaced evenly, with the grout, or mortar, also spaced in even width. Flagstone has always been a popular choice for patio paving, due to its wearability and elegance. Made from ashlar stone veneer, it comes in a variety of colors and is identifiable by its flat surface and uneven shapes and sizes. This flagstone fits together like pieces of a puzzle. For a smoother, more solid surface, mortar would be used to fill in cracks and give the patio a solid base. Cobblestone paving has the romantic look of a road in France or Mexico that has withstood decades, perhaps centuries, of use and is still standing. Cobblestones are often used to match the architectural style of a house, usually Old World or European. They have that familiar rust red color and rustic texture. Are they bricks? Looks can be deceiving. These are interlocking pavers, which are made of a dense concrete that is much firmer than brick. Each piece fits together extremely tight, interlocks. When set on a base of sand and pressed together, interlocking pavers are a much firmer floor than one made of bricks on sand. Unlike brick, it's difficult to dislocate an interlocking paver. They can handle a heavy load while remaining intact. Warm, medium-toned flagstone which looks like a reddish sandstone. Here, the shape of each flagstone stands out because the mortar, grout, is a high contrasting white. Grout or mortar color can completely change the look of your paving material. Explore combinations before signing off on a specific color. We may know them as cobblestones, but these cobbles are actually interlocked pavers with a natural stone look. Cobblestone pavers are either cast concrete or cut from stones such as sandstone, limestone and granite. Unlike the more rounded cobblestones found on the streets of European villages, the eastern United States and Mexico, new cobbles have a smoother, flatter surface for a more comfortable and safer patio floor or walkway. What looks like rocks of different sizes in wire cages is actually rocks, or rubble, in pallets. If your project calls for lots of a certain building material, like river rock or fieldstone, it's more economical to buy the desired material in pallets, which roughly weigh about 1 to half a ton. While concrete blocks are usually used for building walls, they can also make a raised patio that's strong and probably a little easier to work with than a do-it-yourself concrete patio. A close-up view of different cobblestone pavers are often made from sandstone, limestone and granite. Stones that are indigenous to the region are usually less expensive than more unusual or harder to obtain stones. Local stones also blend in well to the environment, including other rocks, soil, and plants. Cobblestone pavers can also be cast from concrete molds. Stone tiles, smaller, rectangular versions of flagstone, are shown in a few of the many colors available. In addition to a beautiful, natural look because it is natural, these tiles are a safe choice around pools and hot tubs. Flagstone is a flat, smooth, natural stone, often sandstone, that forms thin layers, which is why it's a popular choice for outdoor surfacing or flooring. Most flagstone is local to your area, so colors and names may vary. Names and types include. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.